Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. I've never done this technique with really short hair, and this is the shortest length of hair that I'm gonna try doing this technique on. You're gonna need a rat tails comb, you're gonna need a pair of scissors, and of course you're gonna need 100% acrylic yarn. The brand is called Big Twist and the color is called Premium. I can't even find where to buy yarn right now in South Korea, so I'm glad I brought this with me in my suitcase. I don't measure it anymore. What I do is I just go like that, try to see what the length is. So about this long, about like my arm's length. But I'm gonna tag videos right here with specific measurements, so you're just gonna have to excuse me. I'm doing this video to show that you can do it on really short hair. So of course you're gonna cut the ends. Once you get your measurement, you're just gonna lay it somewhere and you can pick it back up. Also, you're gonna need shea butter. Yes, you heard me, I said shea butter. So my sister made this, and this is 100% shea butter, and she just infused it with, I think, like lavender or something like that. I forget. My sister has like this complex recipe for it, but anyway, if the yarn stays in my hair for a while, I want to lock the moisture in, and so for that I'm going to use shea butter a little bit. I'm just going to apply it since my hair is short. Oh, it smells so good. You don't have to clip anything off because there's nothing to clip, so we're just gonna section it off like that, because the hair is so short. As you can see, it's like sectioning itself up. So you're gonna take this, your thread, and then you're gonna put your fingers in it, and then you're gonna grab the section that you section off. But being as though it's so little, you're gonna have to try to grab all of them. There it goes. Here goes with the very first one. You can't lean it towards your forehead because you're not gonna get enough hair, so you wanna keep it out. I can feel this one. This one's gonna be kind of tight and close to my head. Woo! Lord Jesus. The things we do for beauty, y'all. You're gonna split it since it's so short. You're gonna split it early on, and then continue braiding. But now you're gonna incorporate the hair completely within the yarn, and you have to pull it tight. Don't pull it super tight because you don't want to give yourself a headache, but pull it tight enough that you know the yarn's not gonna slide out. I'm gonna stop right here. I never ever braid it till the end because I'm gonna have to wrap it anyway. So it's like, what's the point? I just need it for length. So look at that, guys. You went from before little shrimpos to after long and luxurious. So for the next step, you're just gonna repeat the same exact thing that you did initially, and then now instead of 4 wraparounds, you're gonna have 5 wraparounds to make it thick because you want your braid to be thicker. Right at the base, you're gonna hold it. Lean this against the braid, and just be warned, I'm sure these little hairs are going to get in the way, but just keep working at it and keep moving it out your way. And if it does get into the braid, well, then just make it part of the look. But girl, I knew I was doing this. That's exactly what I wanted. How did you not know I was starting a trend? And so when you get to the very end, all you do is take 2 of, the bunches of threads that you have at the end, wrap it around the braid, go completely around the braid, leave your finger in the loop, pass it through the loop. Basically, you just want to knot it. Alright, and then knot it. And then what I do, I do it again, but now I just split the 2 and wrap around opposite directions, and just kind of like tying a shoestring or tying a knot, and then just knot like this. We're not gonna burn the ends, we're just gonna cut it off. And there we have it, our first braid. Yay! So it did work for that length. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new videos of mine. Until next time, guys, bye!